Orthodontic tooth movement was historically described by the pressure-tension theory. This theory was first developed through classic histologic studies and led researchers to postulate that within the bony socket, pressure and tension sides were generated after force application. The theory hypothesizes the side that the tooth is moving toward causes pressure, compression of the PDL, also named the compression side. Compression of the PDL is then believed to cause constriction of the blood vessels within the PDL, causing a lack of nutrient flow and subsequent hyalinization and cell death. Osteoclasts from within the PDL, frontal resorption, or from the adjacent bone marrow, undermining resorption, invade the area and resorb the hyalinized PDL and adjacent alveolar bone, causing the tooth to move. On the contralateral side of the socket, namely, the tension side, PDL fibers are stretched, leading to stimulation of bone deposition. This theory simplifies tooth movement to a two-dimensional process, namely, the mesial and distal ends. More recently, studies have described resorptive patches localized more lingually or buccally of the moving teeth. This is likely a consequence of irregularities in the periodontal and bone morphology, which illuminates the three-dimensional nature of tooth movement. Due to the presence of the PDL fibers between the tooth and the bone, the terminology of this theory is confounding. The pressure or compression side suggests loading of the bone, when in actuality the PDL fibers develop laxity and thus are unloaded or could be under tension. On the tension side, stretched PDL fibers are seen, causing the loading of bone and bony matrix deposition. For the sake of clarity, we will therefore eliminate the use of compression and tension and refer to the compression side as the direction in which the tooth is moving and tension as the direction opposite to the direction of tooth movement.
This is an excerpt from the book Biology of Orthodontic Tooth Movement, Current Concepts and Applications in Orthodontic Practice by Bhavna Shroff, which is available on the Amazon store. The purchase link in the description box.